blinking rapidly, crossing legs, stamping foot, twirling hair, squinting eyes, cracking knuckles, yawning, rubbing hands, slouching, puffing out chest, wiggling fingers, tapping forehead, tapping food, nodding head, vacuuming, dusting, ironing, wiping away tears, rolling eyes, swaying hips, pointing fingers, snapping fingers, raising eyebrows, covering mouth, capping hands, biting lip, marching in place, tapping nose, tapping shoulder, smiling, hugging self, sweeping, washing dishes, cleaning window, folding arms, frowning, waving goodbye, drumming fingers, stroking chin, stretching arms, pinching self, leaning in, spinning around, rocking back and forth, spreading arms wide, shrugging shoulders, whispering, mopping, doing laundry, taking out the trash, wiping countertops, changing bed sheets, polishing furniture, emptying the dishwasher, sweeping the porch, vacuuming upholstery, hunt, compete, squat, dive, cut, yoga, assist, organizing closet, cleaning the oven, vacuuming carpets, folding clothes, dusting ceiling fan, cleaning the microwave, ride, training, bend, slip, crawl, help, support, watering plants, disinfecting surface, cleaning mirror, sorting recyclable, scrubbing the kitchen sink, making the bed, race, left, knock, shiver, serve, care,